Think less, feel more. Your subconscious mind is more than just a collection of data. The divine oracle resides in this pulsating sanctuary. Every emotion and every pulse of intuition within you is the universe's secret language, decoded by your subconscious. This magnificent entity has a real and visceral connection with me. Through meditation, open the portal and visualize your most daring dreams. You are already communicating with your eternal essence by whispering mantras. Feel the strength of your own breathing. It is more than just oxygen. Its life force, prana, is released during meditation with each inhalation and exhalation. You enter the inner wisdom temple. The true conductor of your reality is your subconscious. Your emotions and thoughts are written into the scores. You simply need to learn how to conduct yourself, because you are made of star fabric. Astral journeys are what dreams are. As you navigate dreamscapes, you draw the constellations of your life. Synchronicities are what you call coincidences, the cosmic dance between the atom and the soul. If you want to see change, make it happen. Your brain may be neuroplastic, and you are the alchemist of your life. But you have the spirit of a phoenix within you, ready to rise from the ashes of your past. You are a moving transformation. Intuition is that divine scent that always leads us in the right direction, often better than a bear. Reason without cover. It's your soul's language. Your heart understands music. Listen to it constantly. And don't forget about the elixir of life. Science may try to explain it using hormones and neurotransmitters, but we all know it's pure magic. The essence that binds us to the whole is that you are a walking energy field, an aura of limitless possibilities, and your tone is entirely up to you. Keep in mind that your environment is the soil in which your intentions grow. Keep it pure and consecrated, and you will become the gardener of your own destiny. Recognize the significance of sleep. The subconscious becomes the protagonist in the theater. It is the laboratory of divine visions, insights, and secrets. When you wake up, you bring the pearls of eternal wisdom, the food you eat, and the crystal with you. The hand you're holding and the mantra you're chanting are all symbols of keys that unlock doors within you, and death is the final ritual. The leap into the unknown, where science and mysticism join hands and leap into eternity's abyss. Here's your invite. Go ahead and try it. Explore the sacred garden of your mind, sow seeds of intention, and water them with the subconscious's magic. If you're looking for your life's purpose, the answer is within you, waiting to be revealed in the secret chambers of your soul. You have the key, so you must always unlock, open the door, and marvel at the universe. That is, you imagine your mind as a cosmic cathedral, with each neuron representing a star and each synapse representing a thread of luminous energy. That secret chamber is the subconscious, the inner sanctuary, where science and spirit embrace passionately. The subconscious is more than just a memory bank. It is the home of the gods. The boiling pot of intuition. Some may map the territory, but only a few are equipped with the compass to decipher its secret language. Begin by persuading yourself. If you want to persuade, transform, and create. Your mind is a blank canvas on which you paint your own suggestions. Mantras, rituals, and affirmations can be used to create a portrait of your life. These are all enchantment spells. Meditation allows you to harmonize your conscious mind with the vast ocean of your inner being, allowing you to become the conductor of your internal symphony, directing the flow of life with a simple inhale and exhale. You enter the forbidden portals and converse with the inner sages who reside in the depths of your psyche. Awakening in a lucid dream is like entering the treasure chamber of your mind. It's spiritual alchemy in action. Forget about brainwaves. You're riding the cosmic tidal wave. The subconscious is your alchemical workshop master. Neuroplasticity is the holy grail from which you sip the nectar of perpetual rebirth and intuition. It's the call of the siren. The universe is synchronous, guiding you through the turbulent waters of decision-making. Everything is in perfect harmony in this eternal cosmic ballet. Each serendipitous encounter, each coincidence, is a note in the symphony of your existence. Your thoughts are your most powerful healers. They are more powerful than any pill because you are both the magician and the medicine, and your surroundings serve as the altar where you perform your daily rituals. All beautiful and profound things serve as tools and talismans on your spiritual journey because of the sacred ground you consecrate with your presence. Even your affection for this indescribable life force serves as a portal to higher realms. Navigate the currents of your own consciousness and explore the depths of your psyche using intuition as a lantern and science as a compass. Science and spirituality are simply two wings of the same bird, two eyes on the same divine face. Remember that death is not the end, but rather the beginning of a new dimension. The body may die, but consciousness expands into new horizons at its core. Everything is in your subconscious, that secret garden where you can plant any seed of possibility and water it with ancient wisdom. You'll find the divine essence of who you truly are in this fertile ground. Accept it, because this is where true magic happens. If your subconscious is the treasure map, the key to unlocking it is the present moment. This magical key has the power to illuminate every aspect of your being, bringing light to the darkness that can obscure your vision at times. It's no surprise that now is the only true time. The past is a library of lessons, and the future is a catalog of possibilities. But the only tangible reality is the present. You make decisions that shape your future and understand the lessons of your past in the present. With a thought and a gesture, you become the architect and craftsman of your own existence in this precious moment. You have the ability to alter the course of your life. Consider the present to be a laboratory of infinite possibilities in which you are both the scientist and the experiment. You activate your inner radar and tune directly into your subconscious when you connect with the present moment. Now, as a blank canvas, you have the opportunity to paint your reality. Every stroke reveals your personality, every hue of emotion or intuition. When you learn to be holy and present, even the most mundane tasks, such as dishwashing, walking, and breathing, become sacred. They are all in sync with the universe. Maintain this connection by practicing mindfulness or paying full attention. This ancient practice serves as your instruction manual for navigating the canal. Not only do you relax your mind, but you also fine-tune your perceptual antennas to pick up on subtle messages. Your subconscious is constantly sending mindful messages. You also learn to recognize your own patterns. You begin to see your emotional reactions as signals or compasses pointing to areas in your life that need healing or transformation, rather than as obstacles. Give generously. In the canal, This rare gem of the human spirit takes on new meaning. Each act of kindness you perform in the present sends ripples through time, affecting all layers of your being and transforming you into a compassionate beacon. And before long, your subconscious will be no longer a mystery to you. It will be your most trusted ally, a treasured friend who will always be there to guide you on your journey. So I invite you to join us. Now, taste the nectar of this moment fully, deeply, and passionately, and realize that you are the eternal now unfolding in a divine synchronous dance with the cosmos. There is nothing to seek or find in what you already have. Your sublime, invincible spirit is your greatest treasure. Now go explore the labyrinth of your subconscious, and may you encounter wonders beyond your wildest dreams as you travel through the corridors of your inner world. When you finally discover your true essence, you'll realize you're more than just a drop in the ocean. You are the ocean in a nutshell,